Oh shit. Close the damn garage with the car on, man. We gonna die up in here. Nah, but y'all already know, man. 5.0 J back in play. We finna go ahead, get back to another daily vlog. And today we actually gonna be picking up the Mustang today, man. They said it was pretty icy out. Yeah, it is icy as fuck, man. Now, I gotta be careful on this highway. I'm supposed to get some salt down. Fuck this shit. I gotta clean these damn bottles too. Nah, that shit fake, bro. It's too icy out here, bro. I gotta pick up the Mustang in this weather right now. Bro, we should have a time on this highway. I don't know. I hope they put salt and stuff down. Other than that, man, hop on this road. I gotta hurry up and pick this thing up for they close. So I mean, yeah, we got everything ready. We already been to the bank. I will draw the money. So let me tell y'all a little story. If y'all seen the last video of me dropping the car off to the shop, the price they told me was a pretty good price, man. But really, I got fucked around on this one. The guys I bought this clutch piece from, they must have had to replace the clutch disc or something like that to make it not work for the normal MT82 transmission that comes in the Mustang. So me being said that, they had to pull the trans out about 2-3 times. So the price definitely went up. And then the diagnostics that they did, I thought I had busted the clutch. Remember I was saying that in the last video. I didn't break the clutch. The clutch was actually pretty good. I actually busted my axles and stuff. So with that being said, I had to pay even more money besides the part where they gave me the wrong clutch piece. So I mean, I ended up getting that figured out, not through them, but you know, the company actually helped me out. Appreciate you guys having Lloyd. Yeah, so the company actually helped me out with that one. So we ended up getting that out the way. And yeah, so basically we going to pick up the car right now, man. So the price that they told me, man, it was around like $1,200. And you know what I'm saying? We ended up having to spend the big bucks, man. We got to spend up to $3K. I got the money right here, man. We got to spend up to $3K. And that's replacing my ShortThrow. I got new clutch, new GT350 axles. And then that goes along with the labor they have to put in too, man. They have to pull the trans like 2-3 times. So yeah, all that really evens out. And they saying that, damn, let me take this damn seatbelt, put this shit on, bro. Yeah, so everything basically adds up, man. So yeah, we on the road to go pick up the Mustang right now. I'm gonna get on this bread. Hopefully we can make it back to this treacherous road, G. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all in a second. Alright, man, we up here at R&D. Here got a Mustang right here, man. We can go ahead and go pay the man. Shit, then I guess we gonna come back out, see how it work and everything. And I'll be right back. Alright, man, shit. Hold on, it's raining out. So you know what I'm saying? We just paid that check, man. We had to go ahead and get that bitch out the way. That's what we did. We clutch started with Ford Performance GT350. You know what I'm saying? I done spent a little bag on this shit. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, we finna go ahead and start this going up. It's gonna look a little different. Let me know if y'all noticed a little difference. Something. Ooh, that bitch in there. That bitch in there. Oh, GD. Why that bitch on like that? I don't know. Motherfucker putting this bitch on the highway, man. Yeah, that bitch started right up though. They said they put the old clutch disc in. So I guess, I mean, that one wasn't even pretty bad. Wow, that was, yeah, that's not even pretty bad. Make sure I got it. Tire pressure, all that shit. got a decent amount of tire pressure. So shit, I guess we gonna let this motherfucker warm up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? We gonna put it on the highway. This thing kind of tricking me out. I mean, let me see if I can put this bitch in reverse right now. I don't even know how to put that bitch in reverse. We gonna try that one to warm up. We gonna do everything before we pull off, and then guess we gonna hop on the road. I'll put y'all like a little update in like halfway there to the crib, because it's pretty bad out here. As you see, we in a Ford Mustang, bro. This might be sliding, G. I be scared to life, but hopefully the tire is pretty decent, and it's pretty icy out, so man, we gonna have to see. So I'll get back to y'all in a second. Alright, man, so we on the road right now, bro. This is a scary sight, man. This bitch different. Like, the way this clutch feels so aggressive and it's raining out, bro. This motherfucker feel like a real muscle car now. Like, it just feels more intact, for real. Like, versus me racing on the stock clutch. This is gonna close my gap time by a couple seconds, and that's real big when you're racing. You know what I'm saying? How quick that shift was. I can't really beat on it right now. I gotta break it in for 500 miles. So for right now, we gonna be doing little break-in periods on videos while driving and break it in. So you know what I'm saying? Pretty decent. You know, we got the new Barton shifter up there. Everything working pretty good right now, man. You know, we got the GT350 axles replaced. So yeah, this should be a way more stronger car, man. This bitch is, you know, it's my baby, so you know I have to spend a little bag on it to get it right. But we back on the road now, man. So shit, I was down for a couple weeks. You know, basically I'm just being patient. Like, with the weather being bad anyway, you ain't got no choice but to be patient. The car gonna be sitting anyway, so like, why not have it in the shop, getting upgrades, you know, doing what you need to do before the season drop. So yeah, we is gonna be going to some car meets this weekend too, man. So make sure y'all leave a like and subscribe on this video so y'all can stay tuned for that one. Yeah, we're gonna be getting into a lot more action since the weather getting better. So y'all gonna be seeing a lot more videos getting posted, some different shit. You know, I have to calm it down because the weather bad out here. So, you know, we can't be doing all that wild shit. Calm that shit down. But yeah, got about an hour to get back to the crib. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be doing some little updates while we on the highway. Shit, it's raining bad. I'm in like a city town like thing. So yeah, so I'm in like a little town or whatever, so it's gonna be easier driving here versus the highway. So I'm gonna give y'all a little Alright, so yeah, we cruising. Road's not that bad, you know what I'm saying? I'm just not gonna go fast as shit. I'm gonna stay in the right lane. Shit, this motherfucker is scary, motherfucker. If you own a Mustang, then you already know this ain't even no joke when it comes to bad weather conditions. In good weather conditions, this motherfucker not all that good too. You gotta know how to drive these for real. So you know what I'm saying? If you gonna be a Mustang owner, definitely put that in mind. These is way lighter cars anyway compared to the Dodge Chargers and all that. They way heavier, so they handle a little bit better in heavy conditions. So with that being said, we gonna cruise all the way in 6th gear all the way to the crib if we can. We run into traffic. That's gonna be pretty good because I can break this clutch in even more. That way we get racing pretty soon. So yeah, just little update, you know what I'm saying? And by the way, man, when we hit 500 subscribers, bro, we 50 subscribers away. When we hit 500 subscribers, man, we gonna do a little giveaway, maybe a little $25 gift card or something, man. So just stay tuned for that. And like and subscribe to this video so y'all can make sure y'all get that gift card, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'm gonna update y'all a little bit later when I get closer to the crib, you know, off the highway or whatever. Just letting y'all know the weather conditions ain't all that. So, see y'all in a minute. Alright, yeah, we got this bitch right back to the crib, man. It's gonna be the end of this video, though. Then we're gonna do another video with us breaking it in. And shit, that's about it, man. Oh, shit, boy, it's icy as hell. I almost bust my shit. But yeah, that bitch put up. So, yeah, man, make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be back at y'all in another.